Hello traders, welcome to another video in this channel. Today we are going to understand how we can trade tomorrow. After long 3 days of week off, market is opening tomorrow and this week is very important for Nifty and Banknifty because major events are happening in this week and major companies results are coming out in February. So this week or this month will be very important for traders because there might be good momentums in the market and we have to trade those momentums. And another disclaimer is most of the time whenever there is a major event or major news in the market, most of the time technicals does not work well and market moves based on the sentiment. So there might be some volatile momentums and some unusual momentums in the market and we have to be careful about that also. So we will analyze the Bank Nifty chart first and then we will see the Nifty chart and how we can trade in this week or tomorrow. We will understand that. So let's move to the weekly time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Here you can see in Bank Nifty made a sharp downfall momentum from the top, and if you observe the nearest support for Bank Nifty, the nearest support will be around 43,236. Why? Bank Nifty made a sharp reversal previously and after that Bank Nifty made a upward direction momentum. After that it gave a breakout from this level and it made a strong upward direction momentum here. So around 44,411 to 43,236 will be an important support for the Bank Nifty. So this is in weekly time frame. And if you move to the daily time frame chart of Bank Nifty, here also we can clearly see that Bank Nifty made a downside price action momentum here. Bank Nifty made a swing lows here and made a wonderful downward direction momentum here. And last trading day also, Bank Nifty broken the low here, but it didn't closed below this level. Bank Nifty made a swing low formation or Bank Nifty broken the last swing, but it didn't closed below this level. Now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame and let us see based on the opening how we can plan on Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If you observe the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty made a sharp upward direction momentum here. So if in case Bank Nifty makes a flat opening or negative opening and if it closes below 44,411 tomorrow, then we can expect a downside momentum around till 44,100 or 44,000 level. So this is my plan for tomorrow. And if in case Bank Nifty directly makes a gap down open around 44,000 level, then we have to wait for a proper price action. Why? We were planning for an entry at around 44,400 level, but Bank Nifty makes a direct gap down open. All the profits are gone because of the direct gap down open. So we have to wait for a price action if in case price makes a direct gap down open, and if it makes any sort of price action in a downward direction, then we can plan for a downside momentum. If in case Bank Nifty makes a gap down open, then we have to plan for a negative direction momentum. What if Bank Nifty makes a positive open or flat open around 45,000 level? If in case Bank Nifty stays inside 45,112 to 44,411 range of around 500 points, we need to consider it has a sideways to volatile momentum if it stays inside 45,112 to 44,411. So this is the range where I am planning for a sideways to volatile momentum. If in case Bank Nifty makes a flat opening or gap up opening or positive opening near to the previous closing, and if it closes above 45,112 in 15 minutes time frame, then only I will be planning for a momentum till 45,400 levels. So this is my plan for long set. What if Bank Nifty makes a direct gap up open around 45,400 to 45,500 level? Then we have to wait for some consolidation or some sideways momentum. Then if in case Bank Nifty breaks in the long side, then we can plan for a upper side momentum in Bank Nifty. Why? We were planning for an entry at around 45,112, but if in case Bank Nifty makes a direct gap up open, all the profits are gone here because of the gap up open, then we have to wait for some consolidation or some price action just to accumulate buyers and sellers and to create some stop losses. Once those stop losses gets triggered, then we can expect a good momentum in upward direction. What if in case Bank Nifty directly opens around 46,000 or 45,900 level, then we have to again wait for a price action, because what happens, all the people were planning for an entry at 45,000 level, but Bank Nifty already opened 1,000 points in a gap up level. All the people missed their profit. So at that time what happens, people will wait for some price action, and if it breaks in the upper side direction, then they will take a long side trade, or if it breaks in a downward direction, then they will take a downside trade. So if in case it is a major big gap up, then we have to wait for a price action, and many people might took their position from here. If in case it opens a 1,000 points gap up, then there is a good possibility of profit booking here. So we can expect some profit booking momentum in the opening also. So if it is a big gap up, then we have to wait for some price action in the opening. So this is my plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. And if you observe the Nifty chart also, Nifty also made a strong consolidation or strong upward direction momentum here. If you observe the Nifty chart, Nifty made a strong downward direction momentum. After that, it made a pattern here. It made a upward direction momentum. Again, it made a downward direction momentum, and it is sustaining here. It is making continuous patterns and trying to move in a upward direction. So if in case Nifty makes a negative or a gap down open tomorrow, and if it breaks 21,213 tomorrow, I'm expecting a downward direction momentum till 21,050 or 21,000 level. So that is the last support for Nifty here. And if in case Nifty makes a positive opening or flat opening here, and if it breaks 21,400 level, then I'm expecting a target of 21,466 in Nifty. If in case Nifty directly opens at around 21,466, 486 or 500 level, then I'm expecting some sort of consolidation, and if it breaks in the long side, then I'm planning for a long side trade. And if in case it is a direct gap up open, then we have to wait for some price action, because most of the people might be holding their position from here. When price makes a strong gap up or big gap up, they might book their profits here. Nifty might make some sort of downward direction momentum. If it is a big gap up or if it is a big gap down around 21,000 level, at both cases we have to wait for some price action or consolidation. Then we have to wait for some price action or some confirmation at that momentum, because 21,000 level, if you observe the daily time frame chart of Nifty made a downward direction momentum, and the lows are shifting. You can see here it made a downward direction momentum, again it made a upward direction momentum, again it made a downward direction momentum, again it is moving in a upward direction. So if in case Nifty breaks this level, then the immediate support will be around 21,000 level. So Nifty might hold sometimes at 21,000 level, and we have to see what is the price action here. So this is my plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, and this week it will be very important for Nifty and Bank Nifty, because major events are happening in the market. So we have to be very focused on these events. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you, traders. Have a good day. Have a profitable week ahead.